The picture says it all. This 3-bedroom 2-bath offers open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Custom features include crown molding, wainscoting and floor-to-ceiling windows. Eat-in kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances. 2 living areas ideal for entertaining includes a beautiful fireplace to enjoy on chilly days. On-demand HW tank, central air and maintenance-free exterior and windows. Garage with concrete driveway, panoramic view of the lake and minutes to shops and restaurants. This property comes fully furnished with an aluminum dock. Call for your private showing.